Morning, boys and girls. So we're going to pick back up with simple, compound, and complex sentences. This is the answer key, and I'm putting the answer key up there because I know that you guys already know. We've already gone over all these, so we went over it together. But this is just for review. So a simple sentence is a sentence consisting of one independent clause. Okay, one independent clause. And then a subject tells. Wait, hold on. I'm trying to get to the one where. Okay. So a simple sentence is a sentence consisting of an independent clause, the subject, and a predicate. All right. So the crowd grew quiet. Remember, this is an example of a sentence, not only a sentence, but a simple sentence, too. Okay. All right. So I'm trying to find this so I can change my pen to a different color. Let's do blue. All right. So, and then she lost her ring. She is the subject, and then lost her ring is the predicate. So that is a sentence, and it is a simple sentence too. The driver of the van forgot to yield. Remember, forgot is your verb, and it signifies signals and lets the reader know that this is the start of the predicate. So what forgot to yield? The driver of the van. The driver of the van is our subject. So the driver of the van forgot to yield. That is a simple sentence. All right. So we said a compound sentence is a sentence consisting of two independent clauses. So it would be two sentences like this put together. All right. So we rode our bikes to the store and we brought some candy. So we rode our bikes to the store. That is a simple sentence. And then we bought some candy. That is a simple sentence. What makes it a compound sentence is that we added a conjunction. And. So we rode our bikes to the store and we bought some candy. So we bought some candy, that would be a standalone sentence by itself. And then we rode bikes to the store, that would also be a standalone sentence. So, and makes it a compound sentence. So, I also enjoy watching football, but don't enjoy playing football. So, underline, I enjoy watching football. That is our simple sentence, and I don't enjoy playing football. That is another simple sentence. And we're going to join these two together. I enjoy watching football, but don't enjoy playing football. Those are two simple sentences. When you put them together and they're formed by a conjunction like but, that means that it becomes a compound sentence. And the way that you have to memorize a compound sentence is this. This is a mnemonic device, and you do have to have these memorized. This will be on your test. You can remember it as fanboys. Okay? These are all of your conjunctions. So F is for fan, A is for and, N is for nor, B is for but, O is for or, Y is for yet, and S is for so. So fanboys, you have to have all 7 of those memorized. That's not the only thing that you'll have to have memorized. It's not always fun in English, but it's something that we have to do. So, here we said that, so let's look here at an example of a compound or a simple sentence. I like pepperoni and black olives on my pizza. So they're not saying, so I like pepperoni, yes. That is a standalone sentence, but where we see and black olives, it's not another simple sentence. It's just saying pepperoni and black olives. So that's a simple sentence. We scored 5 runs, but we still lost the game. So we scored 5 runs. That is a simple sentence because it can stand alone. We lost the game. A simple sentence. It can stand alone. But two simple sentences joined by a conjunction means it is a compound. Okay? And then here, a complex sentence is a sentence. Wait, did we just do that one? simple feel like I'm number one, yet I'm last in line. So a complex sentence consisting of an independent clause and a dependent clause So we said an independent clause can stand alone as a simple sentence. A dependent clause cannot. And what you need to do is you need to stop the video and then split your screen. And you need to write down all of these subordinating conjunctions right here in this one. After, although, as long as. And look, I know this is a big, huge list of words, but we have to memorize them and try our best as we can to memorize them. As soon as. So yes, you need to be studying these, and you need to be studying that these are subordinating conjunctions. And then even though, if. Anyway, I'm not going to go all the way through it because we've already done all this. And then when you get finished with that, your assignment for today is to answer. Let's see, hold on. All right, let's do the top four together. So Jamal had a headache. He still played an entire soccer game. So we know that this is a complex sentence. And remember, a complex sentence has to have after, although, as long as, because, even, though, if, now that, since, though, unless, until, whenever, when, where, and while. Okay, so, and then Jamal had a headache. So Jamal had a headache. He still played in the game. So I could make this into a complex sentence by saying, although Jamal had a headache, comma, he still played the entire soccer game. Number 2, Amy studied for 2 hours. She knew the test would be difficult. So let's look over our subordinating conjunctions right here. And so it says Amy studied for 2 hours. She knew the test would be difficult. So before, even though, unless, until, now that, so since, though. Amy studied for 2 hours because Amy studied for 2 hours all right, and then you finish it out. I'm not finishing it out only because I'm trying to save time so the video's not so long. And then we ate at McDonald's. I would rather have gone to Taco Bell. And then you're going to look over here on the left-hand side, find a subordinating conjunction. We ate at McDonald's. I would rather have gone to Taco Bell. So even though it makes sense, even though we ate at McDonald's, I would rather have gone to Taco Bell. Since, that doesn't really make sense. Though, unless we ate, nope. Until, when we ate at McDonald's, whenever, where, while. after we made it at McDonald's, although. So what you have to do is, you see I'm running through each word? That's what you have to do. And it takes time, and a lot of you are not going to like that, but it's what you have to do. So you got to train yourself to sit here and go through each one. So as long as we ate, because we ate at McDonald's before we ate at McDonald's, we would, even though we ate at McDonald's, I would rather have gone to Taco Bell. So even though, that's the only one that fits there. Even though we ate at McDonald's, comma, I would rather, and then you finish writing the rest of it. First, I found a nice shirt. Then I began to look for denim shorts. So, first, I found a nice shirt. Then I began to look for denim shorts. First, I found a nice shirt. Then, so after then, although then, as then, as long as soon as. So it'll be after. So after I found a nice shirt, comma, then I began to look for denim shorts. So first I found a nice shirt until when, then, yeah. Okay, so after I found a nice shirt, then I began to look for denim shorts. So now what I want you to do is, I want you to work on these 3, 6, 9, 12, 13, 14. Quick questions. If you have any questions, you can email me or you can ask me on our Google Meet. Remember, we'll have a Google Meet every day at 10. They usually last about an hour. I hope that you guys can make it. I love you and I miss you.